fresh from them cold nights. Catch the Holy Ghost when I roll by. Got them screaming like, oh.
Then when I was growing up in the 50s and 60s and 70s, we didn't have no internet, no Wi-Fi, no incredible Nintendo, no day naps. See, when it was time to go dating Mr. Willie, when it was time to go dating, Mr. Willie came by my door, knocked on it, had a tie suit on, had a corsage. You know, purple is my favorite color. It means royalty. That's when I heard purple, because I got a royal thinking. I'm saved now. But Mr. Willie, he used to come by me. See, Mr. Willie knew I had to get banana nut. I said, you couldn't just come by and ask me for a date without the banana nut bread. Everybody in the neighborhood that knew me knew that Miss Willie Mae don't give it up. I mean, well, you know, that was my unsaved days. But now I'm married to Mr. Willie. He knows that when it's time, he got to make me a whole sweet potato pie. Now, Miss Willie don't be giving it up without no sweet potato pie. But I just want to tell you, young people, don't be giving it up for no banana loaf bread. You want more than that. The Lord saved me just to tell you that.
Fresh from them cold nights. Catch the Holy Ghost when I roll by. Got them screaming like, oh my. Looking like I just got endorsed.
Now as I step into the show, if you got the Holy Ghost, say hey, okay. Now if you want the Holy Ghost and you know that God is woke, say, how can I be saved? Hey, okay, what? How can I be saved? Say it with me. Hey, okay, what? How can I be saved? This side of the room. Hey, okay, what? How can I be saved? Everybody. Hey, okay, what? How can I be saved? Hey, okay.